Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to change your IP address to any location you want on literally any device. Whether you're trying to access region-locked content, protect your privacy online, or just want to browse the web more securely, I've got you covered. So let's start with the basics. You might be wondering why you'd even want to change your IP address in the first place. Well, there are actually quite a few good reasons. The thing is, your IP address is basically your digital fingerprint. It tells websites and services exactly where you are in the world. This can affect everything from the content you can access to the prices you see online. You might want to change your IP to watch streaming services from other countries, access websites that are blocked in your region, or just keep your online activities more private. Now, before we dive into the how-to part, let's quickly break down what an IP address actually is. Basically, it's a unique string of numbers assigned to your device whenever you connect to the internet. Think of it like your home address, but for the digital world. Every time you visit a website or use an online service, your IP address tells them exactly where you're connecting from. All right, so here's the easiest and most reliable way to change your IP address, using a VPN or virtual private network. You see, a VPN acts like a secure tunnel between your device and the internet, routing your connection through servers in different locations. This means you can make it look like you're browsing from literally anywhere in the world. Now, when it comes to picking a VPN, you want to make sure you're choosing a reliable service. The thing is, there are tons of free VPNs out there, but they often come with serious drawbacks: slow speeds, data limits, and sometimes even security risks. I mean, you really get what you pay for here. Premium VPNs typically cost between $10 and $15 per month, but they offer much better security, faster speeds, and more reliable connections. So once you've chosen your VPN, setting it up is actually pretty straightforward. First, you'll need to create an account and download the app for your device. Most major VPN providers have apps for Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and even smart TVs. Then you'll just need to log in, choose a server location. This is where you want your new IP address to be, and hit connect. That's basically it. Your IP address will now show up as being in whatever location you selected. On the other hand, if you want to try changing your IP address manually, there are a few ways to do this. Well, keep in mind, this method is a bit more technical and won't give you the same benefits as a VPN. But anyway, here's how you can do it. On Windows, you can go into your network settings, find your network adapter properties, and manually configure your IP settings. For Mac users, you'll want to head to System Preferences, then Network, and modify your TCP IP settings. Now, when it comes to changing your IP on mobile devices, things work a bit differently. You see, your mobile IP address is typically assigned by your cellular provider and changes automatically as you move around. But if you want to manually change it, using a VPN is actually your best bet. Most major VPN providers have really user-friendly mobile apps that make the whole process super simple. So what happens if things aren't working quite right? Well, there are a few common issues you might run into. First off, make sure your VPN is actually connected. Sometimes it can disconnect without you noticing. If you're still having problems, try switching to a different server location. Actually, some websites might detect that you're using a VPN and block access, but most good VPN services have ways around this. Now let's talk about staying safe and legal while changing your IP. The thing is, while using a VPN is perfectly legal in most countries, there are some important things to keep in mind. You should always respect copyright laws and service terms of use. And remember, while a VPN provides privacy, it's not a license to do anything illegal online. So here are some best practices to keep in mind. First, always use a trusted VPN service with a clear privacy policy. Make sure to regularly check that your VPN is actually working. There are websites that can tell you your current IP address, and if you're using it for streaming or accessing specific services, test different server locations to find the ones that work best. Well, there you have it. Everything you need to know about changing your IP address on any device. Whether you choose the easy route with a VPN or decide to go manual, you now have all the tools you need to take control of your online presence. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Drop any questions you have in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.